Now, we already learned how to write the equation for the given problem. The equations are here for this problem. X minus y is equal to 20 and x plus y is equal to 100. Adding these two, minus y plus y get cancelled. 2x is equal to 120. 100 plus 20, 120. X will be 120 by 2 into 2 becomes divided by 2. 120 by 2 is equal to 60. X is equal to 60. Next, substitute this either in first equation or second equation. Take 100. X is 60 plus y is equal to 100. Y is equal to plus 60 becomes minus 60. 100 minus 60 is 40. Therefore, x is 60 and y is 40. What are the speeds of the two cars? Two cars, one is 60 kmph and 40 kmph. Next problem. X plus y is equal to 90. Complementary means sum of angles is 90. Y is equal to 3 less than twice the smaller angle. You have to substitute this value in the place of y. Y means 2x minus 3. Substitute in the place of y here. Here you have to write 2x minus 3. X plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 90. 2x plus x is 3x. Minus 3 becomes plus 3. 90 plus 3 is 93. X is equal to into 3 becomes divided by 93 by 3. 3 times 1 time. X is equal to 31. Then substitute this value in second equation. Y is equal to 2x minus 3. What is x? 31. 2 into 31, 62 minus 3, that is 59. One angle is 31 and another angle is 59. Next one. Sum of bases. Same problem, same method. You have to substitute this in the place of y. X plus y is x plus 64 is equal to 1382. X plus x is 2x is equal to 1382 plus 64 becomes minus 64. 1382 minus 64 is 1318. X is equal to into 2 becomes divided by 2 is equal to 659. X is equal to 659. Then other y is equal to x plus 64. X is 659 plus 64, 723. Y is equal to. This is the value of x and this is the value of y. That's all for today. In the previous video, I already explained how to write equation. Now I am explaining how to solve this problem. There are two equations in simplified form. This can be written as x is equal to 100 plus y becomes minus y. Substitute 100 minus y in the place of x in the second equation. 5 into what is x? 100 minus y. 100 minus y plus already here is 3y, 8y is equal to 68. 5 into 100, 500 minus 5 into y, 5y plus 8y is equal to 68. 8y minus 5y is 3y. 8y minus 5y is 3y. This is 680. 680 minus 500 becomes minus 500. 3y is equal to, this is 180. Therefore y is equal to 180 into 3 becomes divided by 3, 60. Substitute this value of y in this equation. That is x is equal to 100 minus y. 100 minus y is 60. Therefore x is equal to 100 minus 60 is 40. Therefore 1 is 40 ml and another one is 60 ml. The second problem. Next problem is, for this two equations, x plus y 12,000, 2x plus 3y is equal to 28,800. Now from this x will be 12,000 minus y. Substitute this 12,000 minus y in the place of x in the second equation. That means 2 into, this is x, 12,000 minus y plus 3y is equal to 28,800. 2 into 12,000, 24,000 minus 2 into y, 2y plus 3y here is equal to 28,800. 3y minus 2y is y. 28,800 minus 24,000. Y will be 4,800. Substitute this value of y in the first equation. X is equal to 12,000 minus y. 12,000 minus y is 4800. Then 12,000 minus 4,800 is 7200. This is the value of x. X is 7200 and y is 4800. That's all. The last two problems and other problems also. I will explain only last two problems. In single variables, it is pair of linear equations, so I explained with two variables, but it can be solved by single variable. See, total 100 ml. So one is x, then 100, other will be 100 minus x. If one is 20, another is 100 minus 20, 80. One is 30, another 100 minus 30, 70, like that. One is x, 100 minus x, other one. Here 50%, therefore x into 50% plus remaining 100 minus x, 80%, 80%, total 100%, 100 ml of 68%, 68%. Cancel the denominators. You will get 50x plus 100 into 80, 8000 minus 80 into x, 80x is equal to 6800. 50 minus 80 minus 30 x is equal to 6800 minus 8000 minus 30x is equal to, this is minus 1200. Minus minus get cancelled. X will be 1200 by into 30 becomes divided by 3, 4 times 0. Therefore, x will be 40. And another one is 100 minus x. That is 100 minus 40. That is 60. Next one. This can be done in one variable, x into 10% plus remaining. Total is 12,000. Therefore, 12,000 minus x into 15% is equal to total of 12%. 12,000 into 1200. 100, 100, 100 get cancelled. 10 into x, 10x plus 12,000 into 15. 15 into 12,000, try as it is. I will give you simplification, no need to multiply it. X into 15, 15x is equal to, this is only you have to write 12 into 12,000, that's all. 10x minus 15x is minus 5x is equal to 12 into 12,000 minus plus becomes minus 15 into 12,000 minus 5x is equal to 12,000 is common in both. 12,000 is common in both, therefore here 12 minus here 15. Minus 5x is equal to 12 minus 15 is minus 3 into 12,000. Minus minus get cancelled. X is equal to 3 12s, 36,000 into 5 becomes divided by 5. 5 7 times 2 times 100, 77,200. The next one is 12,000 second, 12,000 minus x, therefore 12,000 minus 7,200. This is 4,800. That's all.